interrelated, interconnected, and interdependent we are. And so we have to use all avenues to reach people wherever they are, even people who don't agree with us. Because he had to reach people who didn't agree with nonviolence on those courts.
And I think what you said is so key, especially around the part of being multi-layered. When you said he was
Exactly.
down to earth, he was going to connect with them on the basketball court differently than he would have connected with people from the pulpit.
Exactly.
And so when I think about the trash talking part that goes with the culture, playing street basketball in particular, I'm sure that that is what garnered him the trust, respect. So Ian made a connection with people to where he actually could engage. With that said, I'm going to shift now to basketball, and I'm going to direct this question to you, Alexis. So Jamil Hill mentioned in here that Dr. MLK is a strategist, an expert strategist. And we know that basketball is all about strategy. And you being a former NBA executive and also a political campaign strategist, you know about strategy. I also heard you say in an interview that you see potential in people. So tell me how this film shows how we can leverage different voices as a strategy to build community.
No, thank you for the question. And also I just want to thank everyone for coming, and thank you, Dr. King, for allowing us to be here and to be able to share this space, to be able to show this film. To your point about the strategy of it all, I think for me the first thing is to look inward. So when I talk about seeing the potential of other people, I really would like, what Ambassador Andrew Young said about don't play me short, don't play yourself short. I think oftentimes we play ourselves short and we don't see the power that we hold as individuals. And then everything just seems much bigger. It seems like, what difference can I make as one person? And I think if we start to look inward first, that's the first strategy that I think I pull from the film for each and every one of us. And Dr. King's just said it the best when, you want to meet people where they are. And so I'll give just a quick example. You mentioned my NBA background, my background with President Obama. And one of the things that I did in both of those roles was helping NBA players to see their potential